All right, new for Leupold for 2019, we've got the VX Freedom RDS, and that stands for Red Dot Sight. As you can see, it's a tubular design. It's got a 1 MOA dot. The red dot itself weighs about 7 ounces. Push button activation here on the side. You've got 8 brightness settings. Well, if you leave it on medium, the 4th setting, you'll get about 1,000 hours over the course of the battery's lifetime. Now it's going to be prolonged because we have our motion sensor technology, MST. And what that means is after 5 minutes of inactivity, the red dot's going to turn itself off. The moment you pick it up again, it'll turn back on. That's key. Maybe you're out hunting and you've kind of gone still for a little bit, or maybe you've just left it on by accident when you put the gun back in the safe. Either way, it'll shut down and save your battery. Now there are 2 models available. The standard RDS, which has 1/4 MOA adjustments, and it's going to be on the shelf for $299. For the record, it ships with this mount as well, which is designed right out of the box to go in your AR. The second RDS has a BDC turret. Now this turret's been pre-cut. It comes out of the box ready for .223 Remington 55 grain bullets. One of the most popular cartridges you're going to have in a traditional AR-15 build. With the turret, you'll be able to zero it and then just dial up. You want to dial for 100, 200, 300, 400, all the way up to 550. This one will be on the shelf for $399. Important thing I want to make sure you guys know out there, still designed, machined, and assembled in the United States at our Beaverton, Oregon factory. These are made in the USA. They're coming from us. They're going to be available under $400 and under $300 very soon in 2019. Again, it's the VX Freedom RDS. For more information, go to leupold.com.